Let him to open. Let him to open. The letter is for the Morgan. Close your eyes.
Later Morgan, close your eyes pa.
What you gonna say first?
You count three.
What will you say?
Count up. You count three and then they open their eyes.
Open now. What you will say first?
Hoy, sige na, open na.
Open now.
What will you say? What will you say? What will you say?
Correct?
You hug Ninong. Wow. You hug Ninong. You hug him. You hug Ninong.